So inside of the box was an edge band, a hair tie, a bonnet, a wig cap, an edge brush, along with a bag to keep the wig in. So the unit sent to me was their loose deep wave lace front wig. It is 24 inches. It's a 13x4 HD lace and 180% density. So the hair was full from root to end. It was very soft and the ends were really good. I believe this unit came pre-plucked and pre-bleached, because y'all look at this front. It looks so good. The inside of the cap came with a glueless band, some combs on each side, a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. I didn't do anything to this unit. I didn't bleach it off camera. I didn't pluck it off camera. Sis, it literally is straight out of the box. All I'm doing right now is grabbing my girl, I can't even think of it, my powder, and I'm just putting powder all along the lace. I would use some lace tinting spray, but sis, I could not find it. So I put my hair into a slick back ponytail, and then I just put the unit on. It is very big head friendly. I believe I got a size medium wig cap, and sis, it fits so perfectly, and y'all know I have a big head, so it does fit comfortably onto my head. And look how this lace looks. It just, girl, it looks really good. So to lay her down, I'll be using my Got to Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray along the hairline and then blow dry her in. I didn't, for the first part, I didn't glue down the sides. So whenever you see my sides be lifted, I kind of didn't know what I was going to do, like as far as this hairstyle. So I thought I was going to wear it down, so I wasn't going to glue the sides down, because y'all, I'm trying to save every edge that I have. Besides that, get into this hairline. Take it all in, sis, because again, this is fresh out of the pack. I didn't do anything. Now you can go in and pluck it some more. It could use just a tad bit more plucking if you like that type of, you know, hairline, but I'm good with this. I think it looks good, and it's very beginner friendly to just put on your head and to just, you know, go as is. So now that I'm done gluing her down, I'm just going to cut off the excess lace. You kind of just measure your ear and just cut accordingly. And then after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and begin cutting the lace off. Now, when I get to this point, you can use a razor. I typically just use the scissors, and I do jagged cutting, if that makes sense. Like I'm just not cutting straight. I'm doing like jagged lines, just so it's not, you know, just straight across my head. I don't want to make it look like a wig. I want it to look like a hairline. So yeah, if you do scissors, just cut like a little jagged line. If not, if you can't do that, grab a razor, and that'll just make it jagged in itself. So I know y'all see how my lace is looking, so I'm gonna grab my Black Radiance contour palette and add some more powder to the hairline. After I get it to my liking, I'm gonna go back in with some more Got to Be Glue Free Spray and spray the entire hairline and just get my hairline melted in my skin. I did forget to record the part where I put some mousse along my hairline, and then I added this edge band. It just, girl, it just melts it into my skin, and then I just go in with the blow dryer to speed up the process. And sis, the hairline is definitely giving scalp. Hairline wear, lace wear, sis. So for the hairstyle, we're just gonna stay with this middle part. I did end up doing a hairstyle on this unit first, and then I had to switch because I wasn't supposed to do a hairstyle, and then I had got sick. So bear with me. This is a recording from a different day as to why the outfit changed, and the wig is now a week old with me doing this hairstyle. Anyhow, as you can see, the unit still is holding up and looking great, so I can give you guys a better review since this is a week old wig. But y'all, get into the lace. It still looks good. I did not glue the sides down just because I knew I was gonna wear this unit down. Originally, I didn't glue the sides down as well, but then I did glue them down because I did a hairstyle. But you will see that once we get towards the end of the video, how the unit looked right out of the pack and glued down all the way. But again, I know I'm not about to wear this wig any longer than what I have already for this week, so I did not glue the sides down because y'all, I want all of my edges. So now I'm going in with my water bottle that just has water in it and my Cantu curling cream, and I'm gonna put this throughout the entire unit just to tighten up these curls. So I got this little diffuser and a new blow dryer for Christmas. As you can see, my old one was red and now we got this baby bliss or something like that, girl. Anyway, so I'm trying out the diffuser part of it. Girl, correct me if I'm doing it wrong because I probably should have read the directions and or watched a tutorial because I don't really know how to utilize this. I just know people use this to tighten up their curls or whatever, so I'm trying my best. Normally I would just use the blow dryer and scrunch it up with my hand, but now that we got this new fancy blow dryer, diffuser, whatever, girl, like I'm just trying it out. So yeah, I like my curls to be tight and dry and just like it looks. I don't like the wet look, if that makes sense. So I like them to be messy, dry, and just real curly. So this is how the unit ended up turning out. It looks so good, especially given the fact that, again, y'all, this is a week old since I had to redo it. I will show you the hairstyle in a few minutes or seconds, whatever, to show you how it looked originally. But y'all, I think it looks really good. Minimal shedding. It only shedded where I cut the lace, which is to be expected. Again, I did not glue down the sides just because I knew I was going to wear this unit down. But again, when I did the hairstyle, I did glue down the sides given the fact that it was a hairstyle and I was pulling it back. But yeah, y'all, the hair is full from root to end. Again, 180% density, 24 inches. I felt like this was a little longer than 24 inches because I'm 5'7" and it was fairly long. Anyhow, get into the hairstyle. This is the hairstyle that I originally did. This is how the unit originally looked on day one out of the pack. The hairline, girl, is top tier. I just can't express to you how much this looks like it is coming from my scalp. It looks so good. Anyhow, I'll have everything linked in the description box below. Thank you for watching and I will see y'all next time. Bye.